Today I want to show you the basics of PADWARE 2. Just a few things to keep our demo movie short. I'll just show you some of the basics. Of course, PADWARE 2 is a software that helps us tremendously in the laboratory to be very efficient in reporting drinking water to Pennsylvania DEP's dweller site. First, we're going to go to data here and enter data. You notice when this first comes up, the enter data page, data entry page, you'll see you want to choose the form that you're going to be reporting on. A lot of times it's the SDWS, which is a summary for bacteriological and total chlorine. And you can see by default, today is March the 9th, and so it is still looking back into February because you have the first 10 days of the month. So it comes up to default to February, and then it also defaults to monthly. You can pick others if it needs to be quarterly. You can pick quarterly, such as this, first quarter. You can either use this slot here for entering the PWS ID number, or I use this most of the time, the name. Both of them will produce drop-down lists as you start typing that you can use. Here we're going to call up Hilltop Farm Water Authority. Notice that it gives, this is a great thing, it gives the address, it gives the phone number. This is the fictitious public water supplier that I just used to put data in with so that I can show you as an example. Now this is so quick and easy. If you go to Dweller, you have to have all this information and type it all in. Just notice how quick this is. When you pick the total coliform, you'll notice that things pop in automatically, such as the method. That's the default method. Every time you choose this parameter, this method pops in. If you're in Dweller, you got to type all this information in. The routine and these numbers here come from a population chart that you can control in the system profile. And then, so really all you have to do is put the last date in. It was probably finished in February, so if we want to say the 18th, pops right in. Now, watch if you have a chlorine that is associated with that sample, taken at the same time as the sample, you just pick total chlorine, boom, everything's copied down. Your default method comes in automatically. All you have to do is enter your, say, a chlorine concentration, and there, you're done. You look at the form. You can see here the first page, so here's the first page. It's total chlorine. Here's the result, and who the client can contact, what laboratory did the analysis, and the contact person with the telephone number. Our clients love these forms here. It gives them a monitoring period that they know that that's correct. Page 2, since this is the total chlorine, is the total coliform. And so we print these pages out for our clients, and we're ready to go. On to the next one. Just getting back to this, notice how, as I said, things came in. You'd have to type your lab number in. If you're in Dweller, you'd have to type that all in. It comes in automatically. You have to type the parameter ID. You have to put the method ID in. All these things have to be typed in, and you can see how quick that is and ready for uploading. Your monitoring period selected over here. So if you wanted to do another one, again, if you have the number, or if you just want to go into and use the drop-down box, and if it's monthly now, you want to change it back to monthly, and this one has already been done for February, but if you're filling it on for March, you can fill this in and go right on. So there's just the basics of what you can do. We'll be showing other parts of PADWARE 2 But to keep the recording short so we can email them, we'll cover other areas in other demo movies. Thank you.